I have a big dilemma that I will need your help with at some point in this video, but let's get into my new apartment tour. Empty, very empty, completely empty, almost completely. Okay. Alrighty, so the entrance. Currently I have recycling that I need to take out, but I'm in quarantine, so that's why they're just sitting at the door. I bet you guys have absolutely no idea what's behind door number 2. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I was just as surprised as you guys were. A really nice amount of storage in the bathroom. I love this. I love this little cup. Retainers. Towel rack. Another towel rack. Fun fact, you always have, oh look at me. Look at those socks. It's freezing in my apartment, so we're just trying to stay warm. But you always use shower shoes in Korea, and I was always like, if I clean the floor, why do I need to? Here's why you have to have shower shoes, okay? The floor, the bathroom itself, especially in winter, but the bathroom gets no heat. So the floor is freezing, first of all. So the slippers help make it less cold. But then also, I'm lucky to have this like little half panel so that everything doesn't get wet, but there's no door. So that means the whole floor kind of gets wet when you shower. Probably gonna get like a shower rod and just get like a pullable shower curtain, because I think that the showers are warmer when like the steam stays in that area. Anyways, I'm pretty sure that's the breaker box. Nice little mirror. And inside, I have tried to unpack some of my stuff, but as you can see, let's zoom out here a second. So much storage, so many places for all of the shoes. One thing I adore about this apartment is that there's just a lot of storage, and I'll show you more. There's even some upstairs because it's a loft, but there's just so much room to put stuff. It's amazing. This is not storage, by the way. This one is not. I mean, I guess you could put some, they stored something. They stored documents. Anyways, if you guys don't know Korean apartments, they'll have a light that comes on, and it's a vent so that if you're cooking anything super nasty smelling, it gets sucked up into there. These are interesting. Sometimes you have to hold your finger on, and then the plus is like making it hotter, but this little guy, just this like line here went out today, so that's fun. Add a little flavor is guess which number it is. This also controls which burner you're turning on, the top one or bottom one. A lot of this stuff was gifted to me, and I am literally so incredibly grateful. We've got some storage under here. This is really popular in Korean apartments. This, you know, strange see-through cabinet is really usually where you put stuff that's on display. But currently I have this because I have to drink this every day. It's kind of like here just to be like, hey, friendly reminder, you need to take it. More storage up here, and then more storage here. Brought maple syrup because it's expensive in Korea. Brought some of these nut pods because I love them. I love to drink teamy greens every morning. Food, yay food, we love food. So this wonderful, beloved faucet is it's gonna go as soon as I'm out of quarantine. If you can tell, it cracked, and so someone taped it, so this is fun. Look at that. It's kind of like when some people can shoot water out of like the front 2 teeth. It's kind of like that. But they're gonna come, I guess, and give me a new one because it leaks a lot of water. But this actually is the fridge, and then this is storage, and then that is the freezer. Fridge. Love a good fridge. My initials are MO, so this just cracks me up that this is on the fridge. It was meant to be. Oh, and more storage up here. And then the freezer. Often the freezers are like drawers. And I always keep my food waste, so you have to throw your food out with this bag, this food waste bag. So I keep the food waste bag in the freezer because it freezes it and it smells way less bad if you do that. Something I find very fascinating is the fridge is not magnetic, but the door is. So I brought these funny little, well, they're not, this one's funny. I literally love this magnet so much. We do not have Wi-Fi. Talk to each other, pretend like it's 1995. Coffee, and then the world. Follow that dream. But I was planning to put these on my fridge. But fun fact, the fridge is not magnetic. It's made of like some plastic. I stood here for like 5 minutes going like, what the? I don't know. I thought that was really interesting that it wasn't magnetic. But anyways, this little rolly out guy is usually for a microwave or like a kettle, but right now I have a large supply of rice and seaweed, so I've been putting it there. And my trash bags that you have to buy trash bags according to like the location that you live. And so these white trash bags down here are that. Then also this just has other stuff that I haven't decided where to put yet. And then this, I am incredibly thankful to have a really big closet. It's hard because like you can't hang anything long. Like I have multiple coats. Another coat up there I'm using as a winter blanket. But it just sucks that it's like the awkward height and there's nowhere to put like a long coat. But either way, can't complain. And I don't have any storage in here yet, so I've just been like throwing stuff in this closet. Air conditioning unit, and then this is not a closet that you use. This is just like one of those, you know, that stuff. Something I love about this apartment is that it has these huge windows. Right now, I don't even have a chair, right? So I've been sitting on this. This has clothing in it, and I just tied it off. Sometimes I even put books right here and I like raise my feet up. I cannot wait to have a chair. As you can see, I don't have anything down here right now. So for now, I'm just putting stuff until I decide where to put it. Some of this I'm going to take up yonder here soon, but you probably can't tell. But maybe that helps. This ladder is really steep. This has a camera to the front door, and it also has a camera to like right outside my door. So if someone comes and rings on my doorbell, I can see who it is, which is lovely. We love it. This is the floor heating system. That means the floor heating is on. This means it's off, and that shows like what the temperature in the house currently is. So I like the floor heating, it's okay, but it dries the apartment out a lot. And so for someone who has like really staticky hair and really fine, thin hair, I start to look like Einstein when the floor heating is on for too long because the apartment just gets really dry. So I try not to turn the floor heating on too much. And then this is the water. So if this is off, you won't get hot water. And then when you turn it on, it doesn't have to warm up. It's just saying like, allow hot water to come to my room. And then this is for the air conditioner. Don't need that right now, it's freezing. All right, let's attempt to go up these steps with a camera and tell me why does the ceiling just have this awkward one-way ticket to gashing my head open? I don't know, but it's there. This is where I need your help. So this is currently me sitting as high as I can. Like my head is currently touching the ceiling. When I lay down to like sleep, I can't even extend my arms fully. This mattress is so tall. I literally can't even like make my bed. Here's the down view. It's a long way down, I'm telling you guys. This thing is like really steep. If you're wondering how I get down, you can probably imagine how much I don't want to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night when it takes so much effort and it's so difficult for me to get down the dang steps. But we're making it work, we're making it work. But here's my dilemma, all right? I need your help. So the bed technically fits right here in front of the window, but I want to get a desk. I'm gonna be at this desk so much, and I like to be near the window and near like sunlight or just near a window in general when I'm editing or I have a call or I'm in class. I'd rather be here near the window. But the problem is I hate having my bed up there. But I think one of the reasons I don't like that my bed is up there right now is because I don't have anywhere to sit. So the fact that my bed is like the only place I can sit right now, but I can't sit on it because it's up there and I don't have a chair down here, I'm thinking that maybe if I get a desk and I put it here in the corner and then I have like a nice little chair and I put it underneath the stairs with like a little side table, I kind of like that vibe. But I could just bring my bed down here, but I don't know where I would put my desk. Ooh, okay. I mean, it might look a little weird and we're kind of losing real estate, but I could put it like here. It's gonna awkwardly kind of be sticking out, like the chair would be like right here. At least the sun would be coming this way. What do you think? Option 1 or 2? Option 1 is I just suck it up, keep the bed up there, and I have a nice corner desk, and then I put like a chair underneath this little staircase and create this into like my morning reading nook, because I read my Bible every morning, and I can have like a little side table right here, a little action, little skincare area. Or option 2, put my bed here in front of the window, and I put the desk here kind of like in front of the stair. I put a lamp back there. There's no way I could like put a chair or anything up there because the ceiling is too low to sit, so there would be no reading nook in that case. I would love to have like a really nice corner desk and have like a little reading nook. I would love that more as like a space, but I hate sleeping up there. Like I really hate that I can't sit up. It's so low. What do you think? Option 1, 2. My channel has a lot of like helpful videos, how-tos, tips and tricks if you're coming to South Korea. So I'll link a playlist here to check out. Once I do decide what I'm gonna do with this apartment, I'll link that here and you can see the furnished final results. But until then, bye!